In the none, opposites exist in perfect harmony. Serenity and excitement, tradition and progress. Every step you take here leads to something beautiful. Every moment becomes a memory. In the heart of the city, life moves with a vibrant energy. The market bursts with the color on the sand, fresh foods, sizzling street food, and the warm smiles of the people who call this place home. Here, every corner tells a story. Every face shares a welcome. Where the mountains embrace the sea. As the first light of dawn touches the horizon, the city slowly awakens. The gentle sounds of the waves, the hum of motorbikers, the distant echoes of laughter. This is a place where every morning feels like a new beginning. This is not just destination, it's a feeling, a journey, a story waiting to be told. And now, you're part of it. Welcome to Da Nang, where your heart finds its way.